a national innovation and startup policy. What is it aiming to do? These are some of the initiatives of MHRD's innovation cell. So national innovation and startup policy is what we are talking about right now. This is meant for students and faculty of higher education institutions. That is why I have come to you with this now. This policy intends to guide higher education institutions to promote students and faculty driven innovations and startups. Actually, innovation and startups can go independently. You can you can start startups even in existing businesses. There is nothing wrong in it. You will be one more of the competitors. Wherever entry into business is not very difficult, you can start your own in a small way. So that is one. They want to have more startups as well as more innovations. If it is an innovative startup, well and good. You can't innovate anything as per your whims and fancies. You can't be generally dreaming about something and then say that this is innovation, because if your dream doesn't serve anybody's purpose, doesn't serve any unmet need of the society, doesn't add any value to anyone, that can be an innovation, but it won't work. Rather than job seekers, higher education institution should promote more people who is getting into more and more people who are going to incubate more and more businesses. They want people to be creators of businesses rather than job seekers. So going forward, you will find more and more institutes offering courses on how to make people good entrepreneurs rather than how to make people good managers. If you go into the policy, MHRD has a website which hosts this NISP. I would request you to go and see that, and you can get a complete idea of what all they are doing. And you may find many things which is extremely helpful to you, and bring up the abilities in you as an entrepreneur. Teaching is no more going to be a classroom based teaching and then going and writing an exam by studying by heart whatever you have learned in the classroom and then scoring some marks and getting out of the college. No, this is going to be action oriented teaching. You have to actually go and do things in the field. That is where they are trying to reorient the entire education system of the country itself. And this is the thrust of the new education policy. The policy, we already have an incubation center. The idea of that incubation center is, if any of our students wants to start up a business, they already have a set of people already available there who have gone through the process of starting up a business and reached various stages of it. They can go and talk to them, they can take their advice, they can take their ideas, and later on when they feel like starting up themselves, the initial facilities to launch that business is available in that incubation center itself. You don't have to go and look for premises to sit anywhere else. You don't have to hire an office or a shop room or anything. You can start working from here to set up the initial phases of your business. And then probably if any production facilities has to be established using plant and machinery or factories and things like that, then only you need to move out. If it is a service-based business, you can continue to do that here itself. This is only a curtain raiser kind of a session that I am doing. You should go and see more details of it in MHRD website.